Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. It's Mustafa Shaban and this is MKX Wear channel. We're going today to explain the difference between the compilation and the what is the difference? The difference between compiler and interpreter. Okay, so we have here compiler. Okay, compiler. And we have here interpreter. Okay, the interpreter, and we're going to get the differences between both of them. I want you at first to know something called machine code. Machine code. At programming, you write a program here, maybe in C, on Python, or maybe in Shell or Bash. Okay. Okay. 3. So let's say that this is a C file. Okay. We understand this. We understand this. Okay. But the computer, you are here. You as a programmer understand this and you write it. So, but we have here a computer, okay, like this. It doesn't understand something like this. So you must turn it out into a machine code. Machine what? Machine code. What machine code consists of? 011, 010, 0110. This our computers understand these files. These files are executable. So, but we don't understand this. So, when I say normal language like C, Python, you can learn it and write in it. But the computer, it doesn't understand except if it's a machine code 0 and 1. Okay, he understand it. Okay, we have two methods. We have two methods to this file from, we may say for it, high level language like C, PHP, Python, okay, C++, all language we know, Bash, this is a scripting commands line. So you can transform this code, which is in high level language, into a low level language, which is machine code called low level language. Okay, so let's go to complete this. So we have two methods to do that, to transform a high level language code to a we have two methods to transform a high level language to a low level language machine code which the computer understands it. So we have compiler and interpreter. So what is the difference between them and how they are working? Let's go to understand it. So I have here in the compiler, I will let's say this is a C code. Okay, file.c. Okay, this is a code consists of printf and hash include, and all codes are in the C code language. Okay, I want to transform this file to a low level language code that the machine can understand it, which consists of 110. Okay, this is a low level language. This is a high level language. We understand it. This the computer understands it. So I want to transform this to this. What shall I do? This is the compiler mission. The compiler's mission. So the compiler takes the whole file and transform it into machine codes consist of 0 and 1, 0 and 1, and so on. The whole file are transformed to file.execute. Okay, this is what I get from the compiler. If we work on C, we use GCC compiler, which transforms the high level code to low level code. Okay, all what he do, check errors, check any libraries added to be added, check everything about the high level code. Everything is okay. Okay, everything is logic. Okay, transform it to a binary code or executable code that can be executed. I want to execute it. What shall I do? You just write like this. If you on Linux dot backslash command, it will be executed. Okay, to execute a high level language code, the compiler, which is GCC, as we talk about C and C++, he took the whole file, transformed it to 0 and 1, and let you execute it with this method. So how the interpreter work? The interpreter take only the first line and turn it to low level code and execute it. He executed it. He take it and execute it also. Okay, so he don't let you do anything. He don't let you do anything. You give him the command like echo. If you on shell or on bash, you write to him echo. Good. He takes this, understand this command is found, transform it to 01001101. Okay, and this also transformed in 01 and execute it. The execution say to you good on the screen. Okay, as we made. This is the interpreter do. So the interpreter work and execute only one line by one line. Okay, from the beginning of the file to the end of it. But the compiler do the whole compilation process with itself and give you a executable file. You must execute it by yourself. So we may do some differences between both of them. If we get to talk about the compiler, we will find that the compiler, if we say that this code took 100 milliseconds at the first time from the high level code to machine code to be executed, it took 100 milliseconds. So if you run it again and again and again, it won't take 100 milliseconds. It maybe take 0.1 millisecond each time you run it. Okay, what about the interpreter? If we say that take also 100 milliseconds when you execute something on it, each time you will execute on it, it will take 100 milliseconds. As I told you, he don't give you a file and you execute it. He give you a result. He give you an execution. Okay, so when you ask him to execute this file, he take it line by line and execute it. You don't want to do anything. Okay, so the interpreter are used mainly in OS, which is like Mac, Windows, Ubuntu. Any computer or laptop use it continuously. So this is used at any time. The whole times you're using your laptop, it's used. But the compiler, you don't want to use it except if you make a code and you want to turn it to a binary code. Just you created a binary code. Okay, give me examples on languages user uses interpreter. We have many. We have many languages do that. We have bash or shell. These are used as interpreter line by line. You have also Python. Python are here. Okay. Also we have language like PHP. You have also Ruby. Okay. But here when you come to the compiler, you will find C, C++, C Sharp. Okay. These languages use compilers. Thank you, and this is the end of our video. I was trying the new method I will use in teaching in the next videos. If you liked it, please like and subscribe and put a comment to give me a feedback. And thank you for watching. سبحانك اللهم وبحمدك أشهد أن لا إله إلا أنت أستغفرك وأتوب إليك والسلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.